Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin D3 syrup. First, it's crucial to understand that vitamin D plays a vital role in maintaining strong bones and supporting your immune system. Before starting any new supplement, always consult with a healthcare professional. They can help determine the correct dosage for your individual needs. Additionally, make sure to carefully read the product label for specific instructions and recommended serving sizes to ensure safe and effective use. Now, let's talk about how to actually take your vitamin D3 syrup. It's important to measure the dose precisely, so always use the dropper or measuring spoon that comes with the product. For optimal absorption, take your syrup with a meal that includes some healthy fats like avocado or nuts. This helps your body utilize the vitamin more effectively. Remember, consistency is key. Try to incorporate it into your daily routine at roughly the same time. Proper storage is essential to maintain the effectiveness of your vitamin D3 syrup. Always store the bottle in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and any sources of heat. Make sure the cap is tightly closed after each use to prevent contamination and ensure the syrup retains its potency. Most importantly, for safety, always keep all supplements, including vitamin D3 syrup, completely out of the reach of children and any household pets. While vitamin D3 syrup is generally well tolerated when used correctly, it's good to be aware of potential side effects. Most people experience no issues when taking the recommended dose. However, very high doses can sometimes lead to symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, or a feeling of weakness. If you experience any unusual or severe side effects or have concerns about your dosage, please do not hesitate to contact your doctor or healthcare provider immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.